subscribe to our channel.
How to relieve menstrual cramps. The following methods can be a huge help if you have to tolerate very painful or uncomfortable cramps. 1. Avoid large amounts of polyunsaturated fats. The body needs fats to rebuild cells and produce hormones, but it can always use the kind you give it. When you consume a high concentration of polyunsaturated fats, you will oblige the body to use them. The problem is that polyunsaturated fats are unstable and easily oxidized. These oxidized fats cause inflammation and cell mutation. When cells are introduced into the reproductive tissue, endometriosis can be caused. This is one of the main causes of menstrual cramps. The fats you should avoid are vegetable oil, canola oil, soy oil, margarine. The recommended fats are peanut oil, butter, olive oil. 2. Avoid foods that inflame. Foods with grains and oils create inflammation in the body and can increase hormonal problems. The way these products affect you depends on your body. However, it has been proven that people who have a diet free of grains suffer from less menstrual cramps. It's best to eat homemade vegetable soups, meat, healthy fats. 3. Get enough sleep. Sleeping is vital for balancing your hormones. It will help you live longer, achieve your ideal weight, and get rid of menstrual cramps. If you have sleeping problems, try to eat lighter dinners, take a half hour to meditate, do a relaxing activity, or drink a warm infusion. 4. Include exercise in your life. If you have a hormonal imbalance, light physical exercise can be a huge help. The best exercises are walking and swimming on the days that you have your period. Grueling exercise can aggravate the problem. Also, exercise balances other aspects like glucose in the blood, which can also aggravate menstrual cramps. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.